Composting is a great idea for the environment.
Yes, Benilde St. Margaret's cafeteria should use composting to deal with our food waste.
I agree.
It helps the environment.
I compost at home.
Yes, I know what composting is.
How do you feel about Benilde St. Margaret's composting?
I think it would be great.
Why?
Because we could get rid of all of our organic waste without having to throw it in a trash can and instead recycle it and put it into the earth.
What do you think about composting?
I told you I don't support it.
Why not?
It's bad for the environment.
Do you think
good for the environment?
Mr. Reif, explain to him.
It's good for the environment.
Are you actually dressed up as Mr. Reif because you look like him? Yeah. No, I don't care. I don't like it.
Thank you.
What?
What do you think about Benilde St. Margaret's composting problems?
I think it's non-existent. How's that?
Yeah.
Expected outcomes are separation of organic materials from the garbage, reduction of waste materials sent to landfills, decrease the number of days per week of garbage pickup, positive changes in the environmental attitudes and behaviors to BSM community members. It's a B.
Okay, think of it like this. The major parts of our project will take place on April 19th. Okay, we'll take a step back. After you put all of the materials back into the ground, what happens? Simple answer. Look at it like this. All of the materials, eggshells, coffee grounds, and all of that kind of material. Stop! Go away, dude. That was so good. Okay, think of it like this. All of the materials can be naturally put back into the earth. How may you ask? Think of it like this. All of the materials in the garbage can, daily garbage can, coffee grounds, eggshells, all that kind of stuff, recyclable paper, can all be composted and put back into the ground to naturally enrich the soil. Wait, all the waste goes to landfills?
Yep.
Which is really bad?
It's extremely harmful. Mr. Reif, Mr. Reif!
Yes, John.
Why is it bad to throw waste in a landfill?
Well, think of it like this. All of the plants and animals and human beings live in the same spot. And if you throw dangerous materials back into a landfill, it takes forever to decompose. What good does that do us as a society and as a human species? Just think of it like that, John.
What are you doing?
Why are you doing the trash? All of these things can be composted. Why throw them in the garbage?
Why should I care about compost?
Do you know how a composting place works? Sure, it's a big open hole. Okay, it's a big open hole, and they throw all of this trash that can be composted into making our world better and smushing it down. That way it can't decompose, and it puts nasty particles of gas into our air and kills us. Do you want to die, Jordan?
No.
Then compost.
Thank you. Well, class, think of it like this. If BSM as a whole does this, we can become more environmentally friendly.
Think of it like this. If we compost, what happens to the earth? It all turns to greatness. The Canadians do it. The Europeans do it. We should do it. It would be like a composting sandwich. All of the countries in the line make a sandwich of compost. That is why.
Downstairs!